I have a Kenmore laundry center, model number 417-617-23510. It beeps 3 times when you push the start button but won't start.
One moment please. Note it takes time to type and add links, so please be patient. Also, the site will send you a phone call offer. That is not me. That eans the door is not shut or the door latch is bad. Can you check the door latch to see if it is working right?
Not really, it is a top load, it does not click like normal, but not sure that's it.
Does it beep the same with the lid open or closed?
Slow beeps with it open, short beeps with it closed. 3 longer slow beeps with the lid up, 3 shorter beeps with the lid closed.
Do you see the 2 screws on the upper corners of the panel between the dryer and washer? Remove those and slide the middle panel up and take it off. Can you do that and see if the text sheet is there?
Working on it. It is. Says Electrolux text sheet. Not sure of what I am supposed to do with that. Tried to do the reset, but it won't do the long beep.
Does it show the 3 beep being an error, or can you put it in diagnostic to get the last stored error code?
No digital on this, just push knobs. Can't get it to go into diagnostic mode, but I may be doing it wrong.
For some reason the text site does not have the text sheet for yours. Can you upload a pic of it? If you could, I could read it and see if you are doing something wrong.
Working on a Kindle, this is the best I can get. Got it to do the beep, click to the bedding setting to test lid and got 3 long beeps.
Okay, what error does it match up with?
No idea. It just beeps.
Does it have an error code list on there or an error code mode in diagnostics?
I guess this was a wasted $28. We'll call for a repair person. Can't say this was very helpful.
You can get a full refund. I am not there with the machine and with the diagnostic sheet. If you cannot get it in the error mode, I am thinking it is a bad main control board. Do not worry, I was not paid anything for time spent with you.
I got into the diagnostic mode, but it just beeps. It's not like I have a screen to read. There is a code list in the booklet, but with no code I can see it is useless to me. I tested each of the positions, they beeped 1 to 3 times, to me that does not say anything. I'm not blaming you, it's hard to do your job with no paper to look at. The end code did 3 beeps then 2, any idea what that meant?
Yeah, I just do not have the sheet. Let me see if I can find one. I found one. Okay, I got the error code sheet. Once you got it in diagnostic, what was the beep sequence?
3 then 2. I have to go, I get up very early.
Okay, if it is 3 then 2, this is the error. You would have to check the water supply to the unit, but it sounds like a bad pressure sensor causing the code since you get it right away. If you want to continue tomorrow, just post back. Thanks, and you can come back anytime for free follow-up questions.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.